Hello, friends. It's noon. I don't think I've ever done a Facebook Live at noon. I'm on my lunch break here. Thought I would check in with y'all and show you a wrapped in Christmas project. So I'm going to, the sun is kind of in a strange place today. So let me move everything over so y'all won't have to stare at those little sun dots. All right. Okie dokie. All right, so this stamp set I used for my stamp retreat this year, and it was a great, hey Chris, it was a great retreat. We had a smaller group because of COVID this time. We wore masks and worked out well, and this is one of the projects that we made. So it uses the Wrapped in Christmas stamp set and the Warm Hugs Designer series paper. Really pretty. And I'm just going to get started. Remember all the dimensions for how for the cards you can get by subscribing to my email. Those will all come to you through email. So make sure, hey Sean, and do that. Everyone's on their lunch break. We got new people here today. So I'm just going to show you how cute this quick card can come together for Christmas. And then I'm going to show you some other projects used with this stamp set. So we're going to start with a real red base, some strips of this designer paper, another piece of this paper, and this goes inside. Hey Susie. All right, everyone's on their lunch break. All right, I have a gimped up right hand, so it's like difficult to craft right now, but I'm going to roll with it. Okay, here we have our Stampin' Seal. I'm just going to stick that inside because you can't really write on red, as you know. All right, this card actually comes together so easily, and I think it's really cute. You could replicate it really with any designer paper and for any season. It's not like such that it could only be for Christmas. So I like that there's just a little strip above and below there. And then you're just going to take these strips. Now this is a trick that I do. I go ahead and figure out where I want my strip. Then I scoop this down. And then I put the adhesive right on the paper because I don't want it to go off the edge. So, of course, I can't really see that. I have to turn it. There it is. I have to get it at an angle where I can see it. All right. So there's that. And I'm actually gonna, go ahead and put this other strip here. This next strip of designer paper. And then the final strip. It's gonna go here. So I just think that makes the cutest little situation. And then you're going to snip it in the back. And my example card did not go this far, but let's see how we want to do this. I'll decide. Yeah, that looks totally weird. Let's cut this in line with the pear. Much better. Okay, so your little strippies just go all the way across. We have Pear Pizzazz, Mossy Meadow, Real Red. So a great Christmas situation. Now we are going to tie a little ribbon, which of course I've got to pull the ribbon off the shelf up here. But maybe luckily gets right on top. And so I tied this ribbon like at an angle, just so it would look cute, like so. Tying a bow. Alrighty. Okie dokie. I don't know why sometimes it's easier to tie a bow upside down. Now here we are using our layering ovals. So I love this die set. If you don't have it, it's a must-have for your craft room because it makes these cute layers to go behind your stitched ovals. So stick that there. And I put a dimensional here and here so that wouldn't interfere with my ribbon. And then we're just going to use our stamp set. So this stamp set, Wrapped in Christmas, has so many options. We've got this long Christmas blessings. We've got a couple of circles that match a die set called Warm Hugs, which I think we're using, let me look, tomorrow. No, actually we're not, never mind. But you've got a little something for you, surround yourself in the love of the season, Noel, peace on earth. Anyway, lots and lots of cool things for Christmas projects. And there's all different sizes. So pretty much everything you would need. Now, let us get our, red ink. So I'm using real red here. And I'm just going to smack that right in the middle of this stitched shape oval. And I've already dimensionaled that up, so I'm just going to put this down flat. When I layer things together, I usually don't pop up the things that are layered on top of each other. So, and that is as simple as that. Super cute, quick, easy card using the Wrapped in Christmas set. So let me show you some other projects that I made with the Wrapped in Christmas set. Actually, this project is first because it's on top of the pile, but I'm going to have to pull my camera out for you to see it. This is something that we made at our team meeting, and it is like, it reminds me of Harry and David. It's hard for you to even see the whole thing. But it's like a stack of boxes, super cute. You could use this with any designer paper. And then I've made little tags to go in the top box. So 4 cute little tags. So this is something that we made at our team meeting. Everyone that came paid the usual amount for the team meeting, which is $5 whole. We all got to make this cute project. So that's one of the best parts about being on the Pretties team. Now let me find the rest of the projects that we made. I've covered them up with a project. Okay, so we made this cute little, actually that's not the one I want to show you. Here it is. We made something very similar to this, a little hot chocolate container holder. Super cute, a lot of little cute cups. Actually, everyone got a little spoon, a peppermint spoon. I got those on Amazon. And also these little chocolate crackery things fit just perfectly in here. I got those on Amazon too. So that's what people made. We also made a cookie box. And I don't have one in here, but the mint Milanos you can, or the Milano cookies, you can get those in a 2-pack on Amazon. It fits in there perfectly. You could think of lots of other cute things to put in there. But you can see these cute dies. They're the Warm Hugs dies. And the Warm Hug dies cut this out and that out. So lots of cute little things in there. We have a cool Noel card. I just love the color scheme. I love that with the mossy meadow. A cute tag. Another fun card with the pear pizzazz in red. We have a cute little box that actually has, see if I can pull out these note cards without opening the box. I don't want to pull that ribbon off because it's too hard to tie. Made some just simple, quick, and cute note cards. So you could make some really fast Christmas cards this way. And surprise your friends this Christmas if you're in a hurry. These are just the note cards. Little piece of designer paper, stamp, done. All right, and that is all of the projects from that retreat. So lots of fun things that you can make with the Wrapped in Christmas set. You can make cards, 3D items, all kinds of wonderful things. So every day on the 12 days of Christmas, this is day 5, we focus on a gift of Christmas. So we've talked about the blending markers, the Stamparatus, the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I don't remember what number 2. Oh, yeah, I've already said the blending markers, and the adhesive kit. But today, the gift of the day, treat yourself, is ink pads. And so they come in a bundle. So I don't know if you know, but like this is the whole Regals family bundle. So it's, these are all the Regals, and I chose this one to show you because I used the Real Red, which is one of my most used colors. This is a great Christmas palette because it contains 3 greens, it has 2 reds, some purples, so lots of bold colors for Christmas. And this is actually needs to be crushed curry, not mango melody. I can't find my crushed curry, but that's the Regal yellow. But this is a great gift to give yourself because these ink pads, when you buy them in a color family, then you get a 10% off of the ink pads. So you can pick the brights, the subtles, the Regals, or the neutrals. So that is the gift of the day. And if you don't have all the ink pads, or you don't have any of the ink pads in one of the bundles, then you need to treat yourself to a set of ink pads. Also, if your ink pads are just getting kind of gnarly, it might be time to replace them with the whole new set that's 10% off. So I'll remind you of our special all week. We have, this ends on the 2nd of December. If you spend $35, you get a free tags class. $50, you get the tags class plus rhinestones. $100, you get the tags class, rhinestones, and paper snips. So just use that host code when you order online with me at papermadeprettier.com. Tomorrow, December 1st at 10 a.m., we're going to be using the Christmas Means More set. And I'm looking forward to seeing you then. All right, now let's, when I get off of here, I'm going to draw for the prize from the last project, which was the designer paper in colors. And the prize for today, which I'll draw tomorrow, for those of you who share and like and comment and all the fun things, then you will actually receive the innards, okay, so the make and take parts to make all of the projects from my holiday retreat, and of course the instructions. What you'll need to add is the designer paper and a stamp set, okay? So it doesn't come with the designer paper and a stamp set, but it's all the projects for the retreat minus any designer paper stamp set. So you can add your own Christmas paper. It's a pretty generic real red green situation going on here. Or you can purchase the Heartwarming Hugs paper and the Wrapped in Christmas set if you win. So I will draw for that tomorrow. Okay, as soon as I get off here, I'll draw for this prize and I'll post. Bye, guys.